How to use AED. Make sure you, the victim, and any bystanders are safe. Check the victim for response. Gently shake his shoulders and ask loudly, "Are you alright?" If he responds, leave him in the position in which you can find him, provided there is no further danger. Try to find out what is wrong with him and get help if needed. Reassess him regularly. If the victim is unresponsive and not breathing normally, send someone for help until find and bring an AED if available. If you are on your own, use your mobile phone to alert an ambulance service. Leave the acting only when there is no other option. Start CPR according to the adult BOS sequence. As soon as the AED arrives, switch on AED. Attach the electrode pads on the victim's bare chest.
Attach pads to patient's bare chest.
If more than one rescuer is present, CPR should be continued.
Plug in cable. Attach pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in cable.
Where electrode pads are being attached to the chest, follow the spoken visual directions immediately. Ensure that nobody is touching the victim while the AED is analyzing the reason. If a shock is indicated, ensure that nobody is touching the victim. Press shock button as directed. Immediately restart CPR using a ratio of 30 compressions to 2 rescue braces. If no shock is indicated, immediately resume CPR using a ratio of 30 compressions to 2 rescue braces. Continue as directed by the voice visual prompts. Continue to follow the AED prompts until professional help arrives and takes over. The victim starts to wake up, moves, open eyes and breathes normally, and you become exhausted.